Hi guys, hope you're well. This is my brand new range of beautiful stainless steel pans with Tefal. We've upgraded the non-stick, so easier to cook, easier to clean, brilliant. Then we've got the Thermo Signal, this one here, right? When the hourglass disappears, it's the perfect temperature to start cooking on. If I show you the bottom of the pan, really thick bottoms. So that means that you've got incredible heat distribution, no hot spots, no bending, real control when you're cooking. We've got other stuff over here with the pots. First up, just these little holes here for draining in the pan. You don't need the colander anymore. Then if you look in here, we've got measurement markings which help you even more how much you're cooking, if you want to reduce sauces or stocks. Then also if you're trying to portion control, brilliant. So we're trying to make it easy, we're trying to make it beautiful, so it supports you cooking the best food ever. So there you go guys, that is my brand new range of pans. We've done everything that we can to make these as beautiful and easy to use as possible. So all you got to worry about is what are you going to cook next. Good luck.